Last time we talked about stack graphics, and the second part of the program is soundless, so you cannot hear it. I check it, and I don't know what happened for the software. So I'm going to make up and using the case of in-class exercise we have, and I'm going to build up a P-chart for you. And let's look at the second part of the questions, and that is from the textbook Montgomery, page 302, and the sampling size is 50. And we find out the defect numbers on the samples is like that. So if we find out uh, uh, the sample size is 50 and they have a 12 products which is has some mistake happen. So what is the defect rate? So we put down the defect rate here. And we can calculate directly from here. So we're going to use actually equal and then 12 divided by 50, right? Sampling size is 50. So the defect rate for the first one is 24%. See, this is a very high defect rate. So I'm going to drag this and then to the total sampling we have, and which is actually, I think is 94 data sets. So these are the defect rates, and these are the data we need to build up the chart in stack graphics. So if you look at a textbook carefully, and they are separated as two charts. So the first chart we're going to have, we need to verify the upper control limit and lower control limit, and which is the sampling size about the total samples, not sampling size, total samples is 30. So how we can do that? We're going to make a copy of this set of data. And then we use Control C, okay? And then we go to stack graphics. So now I move to the stack graphics. Okay. And then actually I already did one, so we can see that. Is this still exist or not? No. Actually, this is not the data set I have, but this is the first 30. So I put down, double click this, I change this as before, and I click OK. And then we have the second data set. So let's go to Excel again. So the second data set is from here and to 94. So for these data sets, we make a copy of it again, Control C, and then move to the second column, Control V, and then we put down the name which is after, and then we have two data sets. So the rest of that step is that try to figure it out, what is the P-chart we're going to do. So the P-chart will be in SPC, Statistic Process Control. So we look at here, and you will find our control charts. And then we go to the basic attributes charts, and then P-charts. So when we go to the P-charts, first we are going to select before. And remember to put down the sampling size, which is 50, and then we click OK. And then we click OK again. And then click OK again. So this actually is the charts we have. So, and then we can check this number with the number of, which is on the graph we have, and you will figure it out. The number has a slightly different, the upper control limit and the lower control limit has a slightly different. Okay, and then what is happened for that? And I think that is because the selection of the formula has some different. So anyway, and you will find out that the number now is a 41.41, and then the other one will be 0.05. And then we do the other one. So let's go to SPC2, and then we goes to attribute PC, and then after. So we select after, sampling size still 50, and then we click OK. And then now we are going to do again for the second one. Okay, and then you will find out this is the second one. So the second one, the answers is the same. Okay, it's the same as the textbook. So actually this is just a demonstration of the P-chart for the in-class exercise we have.